My name is Valerie and Olivia, and today we are going to be opening the January OwlcrateJr box. So exciting! And I'm so honored to be interviewed in the brochure for the January month box. And right here. So if you want to learn a little bit more about me, then this brochure is a perfect place to go and read what kind of weird things I can do and also the books that I really like to read. And so let's get started. So we are going to do this OwlcrateJr box in a Pictionary format. And I have the box open here. Olivia cannot see it. And you can guess along with Olivia when I draw the items in the box. Okay. First thing I see is that. Okay. A cup? No, not quite. A hot chocolate? This thing. It's a thing that is. Oh. Is it a? This is a hard one. Tea? It's a tea bag, Olivia. Well, it's tea. So here is the first item. I'm so excited to try this, and it's tea. Leonora's Magical Mischief Blend, and it looks so cute. So that is the first thing. You get it because you guessed it. Okay, I'm gonna clear my screen. Okay. Oh yeah, let's see what's next. Okay, so this is umbrella ball. It's a super hard one. What? A beach ball? Close. Okay. And a basketball. Think about what the black thing I'm drawing is. Oh, a tub. Yeah. So what is it? This? Is it? I just know what it is. We know that. I don't know what it called. Bath bomb? Yeah! Oh. I love that. Smells so good. So good. I'm so excited to use this. Bubble bath time. We can use it while taking a bath, and it's gonna be so fun. Yay! It smells like water. A beach, I mean. Yeah, it smells like the beach. Yeah. Okay, you got that one. Good job. Okay. So I thought it was a big tub that you have to put it and stick it on the wall. Okay, so next thing. A candy. Using this thing a lot. Okay. Is it for basketball? No. There's a lot. What does this look like? It looked like a umbrella. Also, it's a Racer? No. Close though. A pen. Yay! They are rainbow gel pens! I have been wanting these for forever. And they're so pretty. Let's use it together. Let's use it together. Yes. Share. Share, sisters. Okay. I love those. I'm erasing it. So, I'm just seeing the whiteboard. Oh. On the iPad. iPad. A door. No. And there's also What do you think this is? Is it a pen drawing on it? Notebook? It's close though. Yeah. Journal? Yeah! So you are awesome journal. Yay! And here is what it looks like inside. Different really cool places to draw. She has to do it. I don't know how to do it. So, for example, this page is all about do not hold back, and they're like different cloud bubbles that you can write your thoughts and sometimes your challenges in them. And yeah, that's just one way that you can utilize this journal, and there's so many different pages for you to write down all your thoughts and notes. So our Pictionary ends here because all that is left is the book and the sticker. We have the book. This is the OwlcrateJr exclusive cover. Feels so good here. And it's so pretty. And there is the author's signature sticker that I'm going to put. I'm going to put it right on the dedication page. Yay! There. And the author also wrote a letter to the reader that I'm going to read to you right now. It says, "Hi there, I'm so excited for you to meet Mary Peters. In this story, she'll discover a magical hidden world, but more importantly, she'll also discover her inner strength. Like Amari, a time may come when you look different or even feel different from those around you. Please don't let that be a reason to feel bad about yourself. There's so much strength and joy to be found in simply accepting and loving yourself for who you are. Because once you do it, just like Amari, you'll be unstoppable." This letter shows a really important message and a really important lesson. And I really look forward to reading this book. And it sounds like a book all about lessons and also magic and discovering inner strength. Oh, and also there's a bookmark with Amari on it. Ooh. And there is there is a piece of paper with a quote. Says, "Don't be scared, my little one. The clouds roll in and hide in the sun, but deep within our true light shines and keeps us safe in dark times." And it says James Nicole. Yeah, it's super pretty. So I think I will hang this up in my bedroom. And I love really good quotes like this one. And we have our sticker really cute sticker, right, Olivia? Yeah.
Can I have this sticker?
Yeah, okay. And it's a really cute sticker about, like, seems like a cat sort of animal. Looks really magical and really pretty.
Can I use it?
Yeah.
Because you are one.
And finally, the theme of the February OwlcrateJr. is Write It Down. There's a super cute card about two kids and they're writing, and whether you're documenting secret thoughts, working on a school assignment, or taking notes to solve a historical mystery, it's always best to write things down. Our February book is a captivating contemporary story with a supernatural puzzle that is sure to keep readers guessing with every twist. If you enjoyed Greystone Secrets, My Jasper Jane, or The Lost Girl, this is the box for you. And I'm so excited to be getting the OwlcrateJr. box for February. And yeah, I really enjoyed January's box. And if you followed along guessing the Pictionary items, how many did you guys get right? Because those drawings were kind of bad. And Olivia did a really great job guessing them. Good job, Olivia. High five. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this box and enjoy this video. Remember to read on, have fun, and dream big. See you guys later. Bye.